Hello there. Today, we'll be summarizing an informative article titled, "What is a Substance Use Disorder?" Before we begin, if you find this content valuable, please consider supporting us by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. Click the notification bell as well, so you never miss an update when we release new, insightful content. What is a substance use disorder? Substance use disorder is a serious condition that affects many people around the world. Let's dive into it. A substance use disorder, also known as SUD, refers to the persistent use of drugs, including alcohol, illicit drugs, or prescription medications, despite the significant harm and adverse consequences they cause. It involves an intense focus on using these substances to the point where it impairs a person's ability to function in their daily life. Substance use disorders can involve various substances. Let's take a look at some commonly abused drugs and their effects. Alcohol use disorder is the inability to control drinking due to emotional and physical dependence. Symptoms include a strong urge or need to use alcohol, continued use despite problems, and withdrawal symptoms when trying to decrease or stop drinking. Opioids, such as prescription painkillers, can lead to dependence and addiction. Prolonged use may cause worsening pain and withdrawal symptoms when trying to quit. Stimulant use disorder involves the use of drugs like methamphetamine, cocaine, and other stimulants. Continued use can lead to significant impairment or distress. Marijuana, derived from the cannabis plant, affects the central nervous system. It can cause effects such as impaired coordination, increased heart rate, and bloodshot eyes. Inhalants are volatile chemical substances that produce mind-altering effects when inhaled. Examples include glue, cleaning products, and lighter fluids. Hallucinogens, like LSD and mushrooms, can cause hallucinations and sensory alterations. They may also lead to anxiety, paranoia, and risky behavior. Let's discuss how substance use disorders affect both men and women, but there can be differences in how they manifest. Men with substance use disorders, especially those with a history of heavy drinking, may be more prone to developing liver disease. Women, on the other hand, may be more susceptible to mental health problems associated with addiction. What are the symptoms of a substance use disorder? Symptoms can vary from person to person, but there are common signs to look out for. These include issues with relationships, withdrawal symptoms, lack of self-control, continued drug use despite problems, and physical dependence on drugs. How do drugs affect the brain? Drugs can have a profound impact on the brain. They can activate the brain's reward system, leading to a strong desire to continue using. Drugs also alter thinking, emotions, and behavior, which can have both short-term and long-term effects. The exact causes of substance use disorders are not fully known. Factors such as genetics, environmental stress, and peer pressure can play a role. Individuals with a family history of drug use may be at higher risk. Did you know substance use disorders are prevalent in the United States? According to the National Survey on Drug Use and Health, approximately 7% of Americans aged 12 or older were diagnosed with a substance use disorder in the past year. Treatment for substance use disorders often involves counseling, support groups, and participation in a 12-step program. Turning Point of Tampa is an example of a treatment facility that provides comprehensive care to help individuals overcome addiction and develop the necessary life skills for long-term recovery. That wraps up our video and summary of the article, "What is a Substance Use Disorder?" Remember, seeking help and support is crucial if you or someone you know is struggling with substance abuse. Thank you for watching, and if you find this content valuable, please consider supporting us by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. Hit that notification bell as well, so you never miss an update when we release new, insightful content. Take care and stay safe.